Hi guys, my name is Samyagya and my theme is celebrating the spirit of the Constitution. So I am a student of spoken English by Sambhajan. So let's begin the theme here. So let's start with the introduction. So as we know that we are celebrating the 77th Republic Day this year, and it is also known as the Constitution Day. So as we know that this year on this day in 1949 we adopted our Constitution and the supreme law that guides our country. So let's talk about what is the spirit. The spirit of the Constitution, we mean it's a sword that make our India nation is a make our country proud, feel proud, and the spirit means liberty, equality, and fraternity means it means a brotherhood. And as we know that the importance of Constitution, because in before 1949 we were following the British rule, and as we know that our freedom fighters bear so many pains for to protect our India. That's all about my speech here.